I'm coming to you today larger than life to lay out and play out a situation that I guarantee has happened to you before.
Hi there. I need to ship 3 pallets of these to San Antonio by next Thursday. Can you give me a rate?
Yeah, sure, I'll see what I can do for you. Hey, I brought you some great business here. She said she needs to ship 3 pallets of those slinky dink things to San Antonio by next Thursday. What rate can you give me?
That'll be $456.
Finally. Hey, I've got some great news. He said he can give you a rate for a fantastic deal of only $892. I have several carrier options that can cover it at this cost, but the sooner you can confirm, the faster I can lock you in.
That seems a little high.
Hold on, full time out. I gotta call a break to this. Eventually, this middleman's gotta go. It's just not scalable. What's that, Mr. Markup? Oh, you're gonna try to charge me for getting rid of you too? Now that Mr. Markup is out of the way, let's get these two a little closer together.
Oh, hi.
Hey, that's not your rate. That's your rate.
That's a great deal. I'll take it. I should have gone direct sooner.
I hope you were able to see from this little demonstration how powerful it is to remove the middleman, and eventually it's necessary for scale. That's why my carrier provides the technology that you need, and it gives you access to direct rates, but you still get the visibility, and more importantly, you get the control. Let's take back your shipping process and give you your carrier relationships that you deserve.